Hi everyone, we're looking at the month of August and upcoming is for the next zodiac sign, and that's for you Sagittarians. Now, for you Sagittarians, the month of August is a lot more difficult for you, and there's nothing that's going to help you besides a lot of hard work and a lot of focus. But yes, the first half of the month looks a lot more better than the second half of the month. Now, from the career and the business perspective, it is very important that you start finishing off all pending work, all pending projects, and it is a month, like I said, for you to just focus on a lot of hard work, dedication, and focus on your targets and completing any kind of pending activities. Remember, it is only your hard work that's going to pay off this month. So put in all your energy and all your focus onto that. Also, from the perspective of, from your communication with your colleagues around, with your bosses around, this is a month for you to be very careful with your communication, okay? It does look like you may have some small arguments, some heated conversations. So, among colleagues or among friends, and it could even be with your bosses. So just kind of stay away from all that, stay away from any kind of negativity this month that will pull you back. Even from the business perspective, if you feel any business discussions are not going in your favor, or if you're feeling any kind of resentment coming from the opposite people, just stay away from those kind of dealings or those kind of discussions. It's not going to give you any kind of profit to gain. Now, from the finances bit as well, there happens to be some kind of expenditure in the first half of the month, and your profits and your gains actually slow down this month in case things start getting blocked. So just keep the faith going, because towards the end of the month it'll still look more better. It'll open out again next month, but this month your finances and everything is just slowing down. From the health perspective as well, people having any urinary tract infections this month, you need to take care of that as well. We even see that for you to take care whilst traveling, it does look like small little injuries, small burns may happen. So be a little bit precautious while moving around and taking care of yourself as well. From the family front, okay, it is important that you give your time, some family, some focus, and even take your time for yourself as well, because you do feel a lot more disturbed, you feel a lot more irritable, and you may start having some mood swings, and you may start throwing some tantrums around. So just be a little bit careful of that. When you're communicating with your family, remember to please keep some calm and to keep some peace as well. It even looks like some of you may be planning some marriage proposals this month or discussions this month. For you Sagittarians, the month of August is a complete no for any discussions or relationships got to do with marriage planning. So please put that on hold for some time. Yes, it is important this month you take care of yourself, focus on calming and prayer, hear some music, do a lot more meditation, spend some time rather just breathing and taking care of yourself and finding some calm. As a remedy this month, it is important that do some donations for children. It could be food, it could be clothes, and importantly, you can even donate some milk to children as well. I'm Sharon S. Mondija. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let me know how did you help this way.